Money in the supermarket. Learn how to save money. These days, saving money is essential, especially in the supermarket. Everything is more expensive, and finding good offers looks like a real treasure hunt. Even more difficult when you have a family to feed. But we are here to help you save money. We invite a nutritionist to share valuable tips. Before we talk about specific foods, learn a little about your passion for helping people achieve well-being and healthy eating habits. When going to the supermarket hungry, our self-control diminishes, and we are more likely to make impulse shopping. That chocolate bar or snack pack can seem irresistible when we are hungry. Also, when we shop with an empty stomach, we tend to buy more foods than we really need, which can result in waste and extra expenses. An important tip is always to make a light meal before you go to shopping, whether at home or at the supermarket itself. If you have a coffee or cafeteria on site, stopping to eat something healthy before starting to travel the supermarket corridors can help keep focused on planned purchases and avoid unnecessary temptations. By choosing the supermarket marks, you are not just saving money, but you can also discover high-quality products at more affordable prices. Own brands often offer equally tasty and nutritious options compared to renowned brands, as they invest less in advertising campaigns and elaborate packaging. In addition, by opting for the marks of the establishments themselves, you contribute to reducing the waste of negative packaging and environmental impacts caused by the transport of large brands. Try products from your local grocery brands and realize the difference not only in your pocket, but also in the taste and quality of the food you consume daily. When buying bulk items from the supermarket, you can benefit you in a variety of ways. In addition to the financial economy, purchasing bulk products is a more sustainable practice as it reduces the amount of unnecessary plastic packaging. Another advantage is the possibility of choosing the exact amount you need, avoiding waste and contributing to more conscious consumption. Products such as grains, cereals, pasta, and spices are commonly available in bulk and allow you to try new flavors without having to acquire large quantities. Before filling the bags with bulk products, make sure to weigh properly and label each item according to the establishment's guidelines. This way you will have a more economical, sustainable, and personalized shopping experience. To save even more in the supermarket, an excellent strategy is to diversify protein sources in your diet. In addition to beans and canned tuna, you can opt for eggs, tofu, quinoa, and lentils. These options are nutritious, versatile, and usually more affordable than animal proteins. Another tip is to take advantage of less noble cuts of beef or swine, which usually have a more affordable price. Also remember to vary your meals with vegetarian or vegan options, such as vegetable hamburgers or soy preparations. Thus, you will reduce protein spending without giving up quality and nutritional diversity. When storing frozen meat, it is essential to follow some good practices to preserve its quality and taste. Be sure to pack the meat properly, removing all air from the container or bag to prevent the formation of ice crystals that can dry out protein. In addition, it is advisable to clearly identify the freezing date in the container using tags or permanent markers. When defrosting the meat, prefer to slowly do so in the refrigerator, thus ensuring uniform and safe defrost. Avoid defrost meat at room temperature or under running water, as these methods can compromise the texture and taste of the food. When storing fresh meats in the refrigerator, keep them packed in hermetic containers, separated from other foods to prevent cross-contamination. and extend their durability. By comparing prices per unit or weight of products in the supermarket, you can identify true economy opportunities. Often larger packaging may seem more advantageous, but it is essential to calculate the unit cost to be sure. Also, be aware of lightning promotions and progressive discounts that some establishments offer. Comparing prices between brands and similar options can also reveal significant differences in the final value of your purchase. Remember that the cheapest product at first glance is not always the most economical in the long run. So make smart decisions, considering not only the price, but also the quality and cost benefit. Before leaving home to shop at the supermarket, set aside time to plan your week's meals and make a detailed shopping list. By listing all the items you really need, it is easier to resist temptations on shelves and avoid impulse shopping. Organize the list by supermarket sections, such as vegetable, grocery store, dairy products, and cleaning products, to optimize your time during purchases. Also, check the pantry and refrigerator so as not to buy excess items or forget something essential. Use shopping lists apps, or even make a physical version on paper. Choose the method that best suits your style. Following a preview list can help keep the focus, save time and money in the supermarket. In the age of technology, having digital resources can further facilitate your shopping experience in the supermarket. Use applications specializing in shopping lists, where you can register the products you need and even receive alerts about offers and promotions. Some applications allow you to categorize items by supermarket section, helping to optimize your time during purchases. Another tip is to enjoy cashback applications and discount coupons, which can provide extra economies on your purchases. In addition, more and more supermarkets offer online delivery services where you can set up your list virtually and receive products at home, saving time and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Stay on top of the technological news available to make your trips to the supermarket more efficient and economical. During commemorative dates, such as Christmas and Easter, supermarkets often offer special promotions and exclusive discounts in a variety of products. Watch out for leaflets and advertising to take advantage of seasonal offers and save even more on your purchases. In addition, many establishments promote special events, such as tasting fairs or culinary workshops, where you can learn new cooking recipes and tricks while enjoying exclusive discounts on selected ingredients. Take advantage of these opportunities to expand your gastronomic repertoire and discover new ways to save on the supermarket. To deepen further in the universe of finances and healthy eating, we recommend accessing the website Kelly's Choice. There you will find a wide variety of articles, practical recipes, and personalized tips to optimize your food choices without compromising your budget. In addition, the site offers interactive tools, such as meal cost calculators and smart shopping guides, which can help you on the economy journey in the supermarket. Be sure to explore all free content available at Kelly's Choice and find out how to build healthy and economical eating habits for you and your family. Subscribe now on the channel and start saving money now. Comment below your biggest difficulties in saving in the supermarket. We hope these tips will help you make more conscious and economical to buy. With minor changes in habit, it is possible to save a lot at the end of the month. Thanks for watching and see you next time.